Wink, wink, you guys probably get it by now. But anyway, when I moved to Bacolod in 2016, the first ever original Bacolod song I've heard was sung by this man right here. And ever since I've heard Bacolod music, I've never wanted to leave. But anyway, ladies and gentlemen, if there is anyone who could represent Buhat Paglaom, he's been there since day one. And if there were anyone better to represent Buhat Paglaom for his debut album, it's this man. So ladies and gentlemen, I would like you all to show your respect. Make some noise for a true artist. Give it up for Martin Miravalles and Albalas.
Yeah, thank you. So this song is about being grounded. So this is really kind of song, kundiman about being grounded. So kung diin ka man, this one is dedicated to all. And this is a lullaby song for awakening. So bugtaw mga taga Bacolod, bugtaw mga taga Negros. Na palangga bugtaw na Sino may ara? Extra gitara? Pwede ka mo lang.